Hello and welcome to another episode of Dispatch. I'm looking a bit rough today, so I'm going to hand it over to someone much better looking than myself.
Hi everyone. We might need to lower this down a bit. That's better. Mara have released images of their new spinning coaster heading to Hangzhou Sunac Tourism City in China. It's a clone of the ride currently under construction at Motion Gate in Dubai. Both rides were originally designed for two proposed Six Flags parks in these locations, which never came to be. The coaster will feature a non-inverting loop, which on a spinning coaster is a first for China. Legoland New York will open for previews on the 29th of May. The park will be welcoming guests during its final stages of completion to explore their 7 themed lands, including Miniland and Ninjago World. Their final land, Lego Pirates, and the Legoland Hotel will open later this summer. The park was originally set to open on July 4th, 2020, but due to the pandemic, construction was halted. Currently, the new opening time is somewhere in the first half of 2021. Krampus Expedition at Nigloland in France is set to open on the 12th of June. The new Mack water coaster, Mack Ride water coaster, is themed around the mythical monster Krampus and will plunge guests down mountain slopes and past waterfalls. On opening, it will be the park's biggest attraction to date. Silverwood Theme Park in Idaho has released a POV of their new RMC coaster Stunt Pilot, which is set to open on the 29th of May. The coaster uses a monorail-esque track system.
Going to do it. The coaster uses a monorail-esque track system that lets the train run along a single 15.5-inch thick rail.
Thank you so much. The Stunt Pilot theme pays homage to the daily air shows that were once hosted at the park from 1988 to 1996. And speaking of RMC, Six Flags Great Adventure in New Jersey has released a POV of their new RMC coaster too. The Jersey Devil coaster, set to open this year, is themed around the Jersey Devil, a mythical creature rumoured to live in the New Jersey Pine Barrens.
Spooky.
What's that? The ride looks to have the same fast-paced and snappy characteristics of the other RMC Raptor roller coasters. However, unlike these, Jersey Devil has longer 12-person trains. Perhaps that'll mean an even more intense back row experience. Walibi Rhône Alps in France have revealed plans for the investment of 15 million euros in the park between 2022 and 2025. The plans include a restaurant and an aquatic playground opening in 2022 and a bigger attraction coming in 2024. The big ride has been described as an innovative and thrilling, which suggests it could be a Europe's first, who knows. Recently, the park has been retheming some of its areas, in particular Festival City and Explorer's Adventure. It will be interesting to see how they invest in the future and whether all their plans come true. Finally, Groenland have recently revealed their plans to expand the park. In 2024, the current car park used by the park will be turned into a new area full of rides and restaurants. Groenland have said that it will feature a collection of rides for all the family, some more thrilling than others. The rough concept art currently shows a large roller coaster attraction, hopefully something of a similar scale to their new ride Monster. The park are also committed to having 25% of the expansion be green space. They also plan to create a pier-like walkway along the front of the area, allowing non-Groenland guests to quickly access surrounding attractions and enjoy the view. Currently, there are no extremely detailed plans, but the expansion as a whole has been granted permission to go ahead by the City Council of the City of Stockholm, but has been rejected by the Land and Environment Court. Now, Groenland are appealing the ruling to an even higher government authority, the Supreme Land and Environment Court. Adding Supreme sure makes it sound authoritative. It would definitely be a huge shame if this expansion didn't go ahead, so fingers crossed, everyone. Well, that's it for another episode of Dispatch.
How was that, buddy? Good?
Great.
Well done.